Hi dear students, this is lesson 9, and I'm going to explain we are going to start the new chapter. This chapter, it's going to be decimals, and we are going to learn first the integer power of 10. The first part is that one. So here, this is 10 to the power of 1, you know that one. This is 10 to the power of 1, and 10 times 10, it's going to be 10 to the power of 2. When we multiply by itself 2 times, it's equal to 10 to the power of 2. And when we multiply 10 by itself 3 times, it's going to be 10 to the power of 3. And also the results 10 to the power of 1 is equal to 10. 10 to the power of 2 is equal to 100, which means 2 zeros. And 10 to the power of 3, when we say here, we have 3 zeros and we have 2 zeros here. So these are the positive powers. But when it is equal to 10 to the power of 0, actually here it is 1. And 10 to the power of minus 1, which is equal to 1 over 10. If you remember, we said like this: x to the power of minus n is equal to 1 over x to the power of n. So 10 to the power of minus 1, 10 to the power of minus 1 is going to be equal to 1 over 10 to the power of 1, which is equal to 1 over 10. And here, it's going to be equal to, from the fractions, you know this one, it's going to be equal to 0.1. How many zeros we have here? With respect to power I'm talking, how many zeros we have here? We are going to put that much zero. After the first zero, we are going to add the decimal point. So, which is equal to 10 to the power of minus 2, which is equal to 1 over 10 square, which is equal to 1 over 100. So, before 1, you are going to write 3 zeros, and you are going to put the decimal point after the first zero. 10 to the power of minus 4, let me write 10 to the power of minus 4 and explain that one here. That's going to be equal to, this part is important, you are going to write 4 zeros, there is a 4 here, so you are going to write 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, and then you are going to write the 1, and the decimal point, it's going to be after the first one. So this is the method to find the integer powers of 10. Okay, let's continue. Here, if the power is positive, you are going to put the zeros on the right side. If power is negative, you are going to put the zeros on the left side. Okay, so it's going to be equal to, and the first one is going to be equal to 1. Then I'm going to write 6 zeros here, so which is also million. What about this one? This is 10 to the power of minus 5. So firstly, I'm going to write zeros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to add 1. Here, the important part, after the first zero, I'm going to write our decimal point. Okay. Here, these are the numbers, and we are going to write with power of 10. Here, power form, we are going to write the power form. So there are 4 zeros. This is 10 to the power of 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros here before the 1. And so this is 10 to the power of minus 4 is going to be. Okay, this is the last example for this lesson. Here, we are going to multiply and divide by the integer powers of 10. Here, when you multiply the number by the integer powers of 10, 10 to the power of 3, you are going to, you know how to find that one. So instead of 245, you are going to times 10 to the power of 3, you are going to write times 10 to the power of 3. Instead of 10 to the power of 3, you are going to write 10 with 3 zeros. So when you multiply the number integer by with 10 to the power of 3 or 10 to the power of n, you are adding that much zero to the end of the number here. So it becomes 2, 4, 5, then 0, 0, 0, 3 zeros we are going to add here. Okay, what about 0.25 times? When you multiply 0.25 times 10 to the power of minus 1, which is equal to 1 over 10. What we are going to do here? Here, you are going to add in front of the decimal, so it's going to be 0.025, but as I said before, firstly you are going to write here. Okay, the third one, the power is negative, so you are going to do like this. Firstly, 2.45 times 1 over 1000, pardon, not times, it is over, and it's equal to 1 over 1000, it's going to be. And you know, when you divide the number by a fraction, firstly you are writing the number, then you are replacing numerator and denominator of the fraction, so it's going to be 1000 times 1000. I wrote 1010 times 1000. So you are going to add 3 zeros to the end, but you have decimal point also here, already here. So with the first zero, you are going to get the decimal point 1 right. So I cancel this one. Then the decimal point to this place, it's going to come, so I cancel that. Now it becomes 245 times 10, which is equal to 2450. Okay, here 230 divided by, this time 230 divided by 10 to the power of 2 means 10 to the power of 2. It's going to be like 10 to the power of 2 when you divide 10 to the power of 2. You are going to move the decimal point, or you are going to do like this, divide by 100. So how you were moving the decimal point to the left side, you are going to do the same thing here. So you are going to put the decimal point. When you divide by this one, you are going to put the decimal point here. When you divide by this one, then you are going to put the decimal point here. So it becomes like 2.3 divided by 1, which is equal to 2.3 is going to be